Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to find airdrops that you can get into at early stage when the airdrop is still afresh, and you can do some kind of things to get these airdrops, or you can buy more of the tokens when the token is still at early stage and hold it till when the token gets listed, or till when the token gets to a certain price. Then you sell and make your profit. And this is the strategy that I've been using to make money through airdrop, and this was how I was able to make this money that you're seeing on my screen right now. So I made this money through airdrops. Some airdrops I got them for free, and some of them I bought them with my money. So what I do is, when I buy those airdrops, I leave those airdrop in those exchanges that I bought them in, like let's say CoinS, for example, or Binance. So once those airdrop has given me some profit, or the price have escalated to a point that I'm okay with the profit that I've made, I convert them to USDT and move it down here on my Trust wallet. And if I come here now and if I refresh my account right here, as you can see, the money is still right there, as you can see. So this is not a screenshot, this is a real money right here that I'm making right here with airdrops. As you can see guys, I'm still refreshing my wallet right here. So you need to watch this video from this very beginning to the very end, so you don't miss any important information, and so you can also learn how you can start using airdrops to make money for yourself too. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel, I make videos on how to make money online with different strategies, be it crypto arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, card arbitrage, and even airdrops, and so on and so forth. So I go out there and try a lot of things out on how to make money online. And if I see anyone that is working for me, I'll come here, make a video about it to show you guys, my subscribers, what I'm currently doing to earn money online, so you can also do the same thing and start making money for yourself. And if I also try a particular strategy, and if that strategy doesn't work for me, I also make a video showing you guys, my subscribers, that this strategy did not work, so you don't go out there to waste your time or waste your money trying to do something that doesn't work. So if you like this kind of videos and you want to start making money online for yourself, all you need to do is click on this like button right here to like this video. So you click on this subscribe button right here to subscribe to this channel, right? So once you must have clicked on the subscribe button, you also click on this bell icon right here. Once you click on the bell icon, you're going to see options, and you click on this one, the first one that says all, right? So once you click on all, you're going to receive all notification from me. YouTube is going to send you a notification whenever I upload a new video on something that is working for me. YouTube is going to send you a notification, and you'll be one of the first persons to come here and watch the video and start using it to make money online for yourself. And you also need to go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just click here and type in a nice comment for me. I will also appreciate that. So with all that being said, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to show you how to find these airdrops in other exchanges, but today's video I want to use CoinX. So you want to come to your Play Store and search for CoinX, right? This is the app right here. You download it, register on it. Once you're done registering, make sure to do your KYC verification and all of that before you start using your account for any trade, right? All you need to do, guys, is to click on more. You allow it to load. Then once you click on more, then you scroll down. Then you're going to see this promotion, right? So you click on this one that says airdrop. As you can see, these are the list of airdrops that have been in this exchange, and as you can see, they are already ended. This one has ended, this one has ended, this one has ended. Most of them are already ended, so you need to be checking your exchange to see if there are fresh airdrops right here. And once there are fresh airdrops, you just get into it and get free airdrops for yourself. It's going to be in your wallet right here on the exchange. You don't need to do any much thing, just do the necessary things, maybe anything they were asked to do, or maybe follow their account on Twitter, or do some kind of necessary things, then and you're going to get the airdrop for yourself. As you can see, 2500 SNA token was given to each and every person that participated in this airdrop. And if you're able to hold this airdrop and wait for when this coin will escalate in price, then you'll be shocked that this coin or this token that you got for free will be giving you hundreds of dollars, right? This is how it works, guys. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to show you how to find airdrops on Binance, on on Bybit and some other bigger exchanges, right? But for now, guys, keep checking your CoinS, keep checking this place to see if there are fresh airdrops so you can participate in it. Then if you still want to use your money to buy more of the coin, of the token, you've checked everything and is what you want to go, you can click on here where it says view details and check the details. If it's something that you want to go with, then you can still buy more of it after you must have gotten your free airdrop. Then you can still buy more of it and still make more money for yourself when the token increases in price, right? But this is not a financial advice, guys. Always do your own research and know that cryptocurrency is 50-50. But if you're getting this airdrops for free, you have nothing to worry about, you have nothing to lose. I'm talking about people that might want to buy more of the airdrops, right? So you just be careful with that. Maybe you use a little amount like $50 or $100, any money that you can afford, right? You put into it, right? So that's it for this video, guys. So this is the end of this video, guys. I know you enjoyed this video. For you to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video update just like this one, you need to click on this like button. Just click on this like button right here, and also click on the subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button, right? Then you also click on this bell icon right here. Once you click on the bell icon, you click on this first one that says all. Then once you have done all that, YouTube is going to send you a notification whenever I upload a new video update on what is currently making me money online. So you can also be one of the first persons to come, watch the videos and use it to make money for yourself while the update lasts, right? And also go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just type in a nice and sweet comment for me in the comment section of this video. I'll also appreciate that, right? So with all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in my next video update. Peace out, guys. I love you guys. Keep winning and enjoy.